Hi, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making breaded fried zucchini. This is one of my favorite snacks, and I love having it once a year. It's really easy to make, and if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I am so excited to make this. I love this, and I only have it once a year. What you need is some breadcrumbs, some vegetable oil, a couple eggs scrambled, a zucchini, and a very large pan. And the first thing I'm going to do is peel the zucchini and beat the eggs. Okay, the zucchini is all peeled, and I have a strainer here that I use to put the product in. And all I do is keep peeling and get all that good meat off of the zucchini. And we'll be back when I get that done. Shh. Because these are homegrown zucchini, the strips are really long, so what I'm doing is just tearing them in half. And it makes it easier to handle when you're cooking them. And this is just about ready to go. Okay, once the oil got hot enough to start bubbling when I dropped a drop of water in there, I put the zucchini slices in the egg. Get the breading on it and put it in the oil. Once it starts to brown, I'll just flip it over and then put it on paper towels to drain. I know a lot of people use slices of zucchini and they leave the rind on. I personally think it's a little too bitter. So this is all ready to be flipped that quick. And that piece is almost done. We have a nice big stack of the fried zucchini draining on paper towels. And once the vegetable oil cools down, I'll be putting the zucchini on a plate, and the paper towels are going to go in here to absorb the vegetable oil. What am I going to do with all the leftover zucchini that I have? That's easy. That's going to get cored and diced and cooked up for a side dish or for my late night snacks. And I think I'm even going to throw a little yellow squash in with that. Well, my zucchini is done. I cannot wait to dive into this. I don't usually have fried foods, but this is a once a year treat for me. And what did I do with all the other zucchini that was left? That's already chopped up in salted water. And once it starts to boil, I'll cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes until the zucchini is tender. Drain it, and that's another snack for me. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.